In America, there is a legal way to make money disappear. Not hide it. Not move it offshore. Not evade anything. Disappear it. Permanently. Legally. With the IRS watching and not doing a single thing about it. Because the IRS is not doing anything about it, because they designed it this way. In our last investigation, we looked at inflation and deflation, the two economic forces that determine whether wealth builds or erodes. And one conclusion came through clearly. In an inflationary environment, the tax burden on growing wealth increases. Every gain, every appreciation, every income stream gets taxed more aggressively as the numbers grow. The wealthy figured out how to eliminate that burden entirely. Not illegally. Through 5 specific mechanisms built directly into the American tax code. Today, Follow the Money with Max follows the money through all 5. By the end of this investigation, you will understand why the most intense political debates about taxing the rich keep happening without producing results. Because the rich are not breaking the rules. They wrote them. Mechanism 1. The step-up basis at death. This is the single most powerful legal money disappearing mechanism in the American tax code. And most Americans have never heard of it. Here is how it works. A wealthy American buys stock worth $10 million. Over their lifetime, that stock grows to $1 billion. The gain, $990 million, would be taxable if they sold. So they never sell. They borrow against the stock instead. They live on the borrowed money. The gain stays unrealized. And when they die, the tax basis of that stock resets. Their heirs inherit $1 billion in stock. But the IRS now treats their cost basis as $1 billion, not the $10 million the parent paid. If the heirs sell immediately, their taxable gain is zero. $990 million. Built over an entire lifetime. Taxed at exactly zero. This is not a loophole. It is Section 1014 of the Internal Revenue Code, written specifically into the law, available to any American whose estate is structured to use it. Mechanism 2. Charitable remainder trusts. This one appears to give money away. In reality, it is one of the most sophisticated wealth preservation tools ever designed. A wealthy American places appreciated stock worth $50 million into a charitable remainder trust. The trust sells the stock. No capital gains tax because the trust is tax exempt. The full $50 million gets invested. Not $50 million minus the capital gains tax that would have applied to a direct sale. The full amount. The trust pays the donor an income stream for the rest of their life. The remaining assets go to charity when the donor dies. The donor gets a partial charitable deduction immediately. They receive income from a larger invested base than a direct sale would have allowed. They completely avoid capital gains tax. And their heirs frequently receive a life insurance policy funded by the trust income, sometimes replacing the full value of the original asset in a form that does not trigger estate tax. The money appears to disappear into charity. The family walks away wealthier than if they had simply sold the asset and paid the tax. Mechanism 3. Real estate depreciation. The IRS allows property investors to deduct the theoretical wear and tear on their building every single year. A residential property can be depreciated over 27.5 years. A commercial property over 39 years. On a $1 million building, you can deduct roughly $36,000 a year from your taxable income, regardless of whether your property actually declined in value or not. Real estate investors can show the IRS enormous paper losses from depreciation while simultaneously experiencing real gains from rental income and property appreciation. The taxable income disappears on paper. The actual wealth grows in reality. And when the investor dies, the step-up basis resets everything. The accumulated depreciation recapture liability vanishes with the owner. Mechanism 4. Opportunity zones. Congress created opportunity zones in 2017, officially to encourage investment in low-income communities. An investor who has capital gains from any source can invest those gains into a qualified opportunity zone fund. The capital gains tax is immediately deferred. If the investment is held for 10 years, any additional gains generated inside the fund are completely tax-free. Not deferred. Gone. A tech founder who sold their company for $100 million and faced a $30 million capital gains bill can invest those gains into an opportunity zone fund. Hold 10 years. The growth on the full $100 million inside the fund, tax-free. Permanently. Mechanism 5. Grantor retained annuity trusts. The name is deliberately complicated. That is not an accident. A wealthy parent places growing stock, typically in a company they expect to appreciate significantly, into a GRAT trust. The trust pays the parent an annuity during a fixed term. When the term ends, the remaining assets pass to the heirs. If the assets grow faster than the IRS benchmark interest rate, which is consistently achievable for a concentrated position in a successful company, the excess growth passes to the heirs completely free of gift or estate tax. Zero gift tax. Zero estate tax. Theirs pay nothing. The IRS collects nothing. This mechanism has transferred billions of dollars between generations of American families without triggering a single dollar of gift or estate tax. The money disappears from the taxable universe. Legally, invisibly, by design. Here is what ties all 5 mechanisms together. None of them are illegal. None were found by clever accountants exploiting gray areas. Every single one is either written specifically into the Internal Revenue Code or specifically authorized by IRS regulations. They were built there intentionally. And the people who built them, who lobbied for them, who funded the campaigns of the lawmakers who passed them, who shaped the regulations governing them, were the same people who benefit most from them remaining exactly as they are. This is the pattern Follow the Money with Max has traced through every investigation on this channel. The credit score system was built by the people who profit from it. The shadow economy exists because the formal system excludes people at the bottom while accommodating people at the top. And the 5 money disappearing mechanisms we investigated today are available because the people who use them wrote the tax code in which they operate. This is not cynicism. This is pattern recognition. And pattern recognition is practically useful because every one of these mechanisms in scaled-down versions is available at multiple income levels. Real estate depreciation works for any property investor, not just billionaires. Opportunity zones work for any investor with realized capital gains. Charitable structures can optimize giving at any level of wealth. The step-up basis applies to any appreciated asset you hold until death, rather than selling repeatedly. The wealthy are not operating in a different universe. They are operating in the same tax code with more resources to maximize every legal mechanism it contains. And now you understand which mechanisms those are. My name is Max. This is Follow the Money with Max. If this investigation changed how you see every debate about taxing the rich, share it, because most of those debates are happening without these 5 facts in the room. And a debate without these facts is not a real debate about how American wealth actually works. Subscribe, because next time Follow the Money with Max investigates something that affects more Americans directly than almost any topic we have covered. What banks tell you about saving money, and what they never tell you. There is a lie running through every savings account advertisement, every financial advisor conversation, every piece of conventional savings advice most Americans ever received. And understanding that lie changes what you do with every dollar you earn from this point forward. That investigation is next. Follow the Money with Max.